The objective of Soundbites is for the contestants to guess the movies and actors from the audio clips that they listen to. Every movie that they guess correctly gives them 100 points. Every actor that they guess correctly gives them 50. Whoever has the most points by the end of the game wins a $25 Chick-fil-A gift card.
Third up.
I'll be back.
Yes.
It's the Terminator.
Correct.
And that's with my guy Arnold Schwarzenegger.
That's right.
That's 150 points for Aiden.
Star Wars.
Can you be more specific?
Which episode?
Oh shit, I did it too early. Oh shit, dude.
Alright, I'm
I
gonna
don't-
keep playing the clip.
Hello there.
General Kenobi!
You can't.
I can't do it no more. Oh, that's.
Alright, reset it.
Um.
3.
No.
Yeah.
You got it, bro. You got it. She got it. She got it.
What'd you say?
Episode
She said
3?
3.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
So, 100 points to Reese. Does anybody want to guess the actor?
General Grievous playing himself.
Okay, 100 points to Reese. Alright, let's head to our next clip.
Anyway, like I was saying, shrimp is the food of the sea. You can barbecue it.
What's his name? I really forgot his name. How many seconds we got?
10 seconds.
4 is gone. 4 is gone.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's right.
what's the
That was
actor?
good.
Yeah.
Who's the actor?
Tom Hanks.
Okay, Reese.
You could. I thought I had like
So
a
50 points
privilege,
to Reese, 100 to
like
Tatum.
time.
On to our next clip.
What's so funny?
Is this Joker?
It is. Does anybody want to guess the actors?
Joaquin Phoenix is the Joker. I don't know who the lady is.
Yeah, that's 150 to Aiden.
Dang, bro, that's crazy.
On to our next clip.
Here's Johnny!
Oh, yep.
Yep.
Yes.
With the twins, the little creepy people. Oh, the Shining.
Yes.
There we go.
Does anybody want to guess the actors?
D'Amelio.
5, 4, 3.
Isn't it like D'Amelio or something like that?
1.
No, that's a girl.
Alright.
That's that one
That's
girl.
100 points to Reese. And for our next clip.
So Earth has wizards now.
Sounds like Harry Potter.
The preferred term is Master of the Mystic Arts. You can leave that now. All right, wizard. Who are you? Why should I care? My name is Dr. Stephen Strange, and I have some questions for you.
Doctor
Yes,
Strange.
That is false.
Oh,
Okay.
is it?
I will not continue playing the clip.
It's Thor Ragnarok, right?
It
That is correct.
Yeah.
Does anybody want to guess the actors?
Either one of them will go.
I
But you can only guess one.
Come on. Come on. They're both super
Doctor
famous.
Strange is a Benedict Cumberbatch, right? I don't know how to say his
Correct.
name.
Oh, screw off.
Man,
Who's
this.
Thor? Who is Thor?
I don't know who Thor is.
What?
Chris
Chris
Hemsworth.
Hemsworth.
Okay, yeah, actually, no, I do know Thor.
I
Never
said it.
He said Chris.
I said Chris Hemsworth, but I can't
Is
say
it Hemmings or
Hemsworth.
It's
Hemsworth?
just Hems.
Hems.
I said it better. I said Hemsworth.
Congratulations, Aiden. It looks like you've won.